I mean, I got involved in youth work as a teenager. I didn't know anything about youth work, but we didn't have any youth work facilities. So I kicked a football around in the park with my mates. They built a community centre. I thought, we're part of the community, we should be allowed to use that. And I still believe that youth work needs to provide a sort of a social arena for young people to be themselves.
Well, I mean, there isn't a Welsh youth policy that doesn't have Howard's fingerprint all over it. You can see how much he is respected and lauded across Europe for the contribution that he's made.
I think youth work is Howard. I don't think you can detach yourself from who you are fundamentally. He's incredibly passionate still about youth work, and he has never lost that ability or drive to want to be part of that movement.
His commitment, as far as I can see, and his passion and enthusiasm hasn't waned since the first time I met him 20 or 30 years ago to what you see now. His commitment is still there, his passion is still there, his enthusiasm is still there.
He has that emotional intelligence, obviously being a professor of youth policy, but then he also has this real special ability to connect with young people on the ground.
You know, a young person walking through the streets of Cardiff or Colwyn Bay might not recognise Howard in the street, but the opportunities that a young person has enjoyed, a lot of them will be as a direct result of the work that Howard has done. And that's a pretty remarkable place to be.